Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLE 43 AMG Coupe. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 21-inch 5-spoke with black accents wheels, illuminated running boards, black MB-Tex interior with an anthracite poplar trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, AMG GLE 43 badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, lane assist package with active blind spot assist, lane keep assist, keyless entry, premium 2 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, ambient lighting, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, navigation, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 43 AMG has 15,460 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 AMG Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.